Okay, so first, when you're in layout, if you want to insert your bridge, you want to make sure that you pick a letter landscape title block. But I'm going to pick just a piece of paper without the title block because I don't need the writing. I just want all the paper to show the actual bridge. So I have most of the paper for the bridge. All right, so here's my blank letter landscape. I'm going to click File, Insert, and I'm going to go to the folder to pick the bridge design that we want to use. Hold on just a minute, the computer is acting slow. And so when you insert the bridge, it might not be the right view. That's okay. You're going to right click on the view and select let's try it again. Right click on it and click standard views and go to the front standard view, and then you're going to right click and turn off perspective, and then the front and the back halves should all line up. I also want to make sure my style is engineering style, so I'm going to click on style and scroll down to default styles and pick engineering style. And under view, I'm going to make sure my scale is full size 1:1, and I preserve scale on resize. Now if I don't see it, I might have to zoom around a little bit. Usually it's somewhere. There it is. Make sure the scale is 1:1 again. Okay, there I see it up at the top. As long as you see it a little bit up in the top, you're good, because now you can change your window by clicking on the little tabs. Make sure you set your scale to 1:1 though, and click on preserve scale and resize. That way it'll show up. Okay, so I'm redoing it. So let's say I want to have the left hand side of my bridge on page 1. So I'm kind of resizing my viewing window so it shows just the left hand side, like this. And make it show a little bit more than half the bridge. When you got that, you're going to copy that view and create a new page. Down here where it says pages, you're going to click page 2, and you're going to paste the view, except this time we want to see the right hand part of the bridge. So we're going to zoom and show the right hand side. And now that you have the right hand and the left hand side on a piece of paper, you can print it out. If you don't want the dimensions to show, you need to go back into your original Sketchup model and put the dimensions on a separate layer and turn off that layer. But the dimensions are fine if you have them. They're not going to bother you, so you can have them. So we're going to print both pages and save the file, and that's how you get your bridge from Sketchup to layout.